how to upload images in Midjourney. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about how we are going to be able to upload images into Midjourney in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow ourselves to do this, we are going to need to do a few things, and I'm going to be talking about them in great depth and detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the whole in detail depth and analysis on how we are going to be allowing ourselves to do this. So basically, without further ado, let's get into it. So let's start talking about Midjourney first of all. So to come to Midjourney, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to www.midjourney.com/home. And as we come over to Midjourney, from here, what we're going to want to do is we're obviously going to understand how Midjourney works, what Midjourney is, what Midjourney does, all the essentials to get our head around Midjourney. So obviously midjourney.com is an amazing AI art generator. Okay, it generates images using AI art, and it's one of the best, you could say, sources of technology that have blessed this earth in a while. And trust me, it just takes prompts from users, and once a user gives it a few prompts, the amount of work and the amount of data it produces from that, and the amount of defined art it produces from that, really amazing, really great stuff. So to start things off, obviously you're going to come over to midjourney.com, and once you're in midjourney.com, here what you're going to want to do is you're going to scroll down and click on join the beta. So once you click on join the beta, obviously it takes you to the about section, and once you go into the about section here, it takes you all these things. So Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thought. You can see the APIs and stuff down here as well. Now if you click on join the beta, it takes you to a Discord link. Now if you don't use Discord, then obviously you are going to want to have to use Discord, because without Discord, Midjourney is not accessible, and without just Discord, you're not uploading images anywhere. Okay, so once you add your Discord, basically you're gonna come to a page like this. Okay, so it takes you into the Discord. It will bring you here. So let's say once you're over here, it's gonna tell you all these instructions that you can imagine things. You can imagine cyberpunk cat, vaporwave cat, art deco cat, cyberpunk dog, etc. Moving on, sculpture of a seagull on a pier, etc., etc. Now, basically, once we have gotten our head around this, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here. You're probably confused that how is someone supposed to, actually get, do art in this? How are we supposed to get out a decent design in this? Don't worry, I will walk you through it. So, to basically do your designing and art in this, all you're going to do is you're going to come to this left-hand side, and in the left-hand side, you're going to come scroll down to newbie rooms, okay, which is your newcomer rooms. And in these newcomer rooms, just join any single one of them. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead with this one, the newcomer room 2, newbies 59. Now once we're over here, I'm gonna jump to the latest field, and once you're over here, as you can see, as we keep on scrolling up, you can see all these different designs that are already being created, and look at their look at the quality of them. They look absolutely out of this world, and people are writing vintage old photo in forest showing giant trollets standing next to humans. So you get the whole point of this. Really amazing stuff. And look at this. Look at the detail, look at the analysis, look at the shine, depth of field and everything. Real amazing, really terrific stuff to get your head around. Now, once we've actually gotten the idea of this and concept of this, how are we going to make things like these for ourselves? So to create designs like these for ourselves, what we're going to do is you're going to come over to messages, and in messages what you're going to do is you're going to write slash, you're going to write imagine, and that creates an imagine prompt. Now in this prompt, you're going to start adding the prompt you want it to search. So I'm going to go ahead and write, let's say, a boy with an apple on his head flying in space. Okay, I'm just going to call it that. We're going to enter it, and obviously what that will do is it will start creating our prompt. Now, currently, I don't have a subscription, but if you have a subscription, you're just going to click on subscribe, and what that will do is it will give you the options to subscribe. And all you're going to do to subscribe is come here, go to this link, and basically just go ahead and buy the description option. Now, once you've subscribed, let's come to the main topic of the video, which is uploading an image. So to upload an image, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Midjourney, click on this plus icon over here, click on upload a file. And once you click on upload a file, basically you're going to upload whatever file you want to edit. So let's say I have this file over here, this image. I want to edit this image. This image already looks pretty cool, but I want to make it look cooler. I want to make it look much more nicer. I want to make it look much more, so, you know, we have this image. So what you're going to do once you upload this image into Midjourney, you're going to right click. Once you right click, you're going to come down here. You're going to click on copy link. Okay. You're going to copy the link of this image. Then you're going to come down here. You're going to do the same thing. Imagine you're going to place Control V. You're going to paste the link in this description, comma, and you're going to start writing your prompts after this. So what this will do is it will start creating prompts off of the image link that you have provided, okay? And that's how you can upload images and start working with them. So really incredible, really easy stuff to get your head around, and it's just really simple to work with these things. So as I said, plus icon, upload a file, upload the image, copy the link, paste the link, comma, and then start adding your details. Pretty easy, right? And then you can, create realistic 4K HD pictures looking like these. Like, just look at them. They look absolutely incredible. And it's, absolutely groundbreaking how much AI has achieved in such small time. So yeah, basically, if I were to give you a whole run through of all of this again, just come over here. Once you come over here, join the beta. After joining the beta, it's going to take you to the Discord, accept the Discord invite and all. And once you've accepted the invite, it's going to take you through to the basic Discord servers. And in the basic Discord servers, all you're going to do is you're going to find the right Discord server. And obviously, I showed you the right Discord server. You can, easily go with the newcomer rooms over here. Once you come to the newcomer rooms, you can already see a lot of people designing their things, and you can start designing your own as well by just doing /imagine and then start adding more things. So really amazing, really easy, and really simple stuff to get your head around. And yeah, that's essentially about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you people in the next video. Goodbye.